Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is blend. It's a C1 level verb, and it means to mix things together. Now, when we say blend, we're usually talking about combining different elements into a unified whole. Think about making a smoothie where you blend fruits, yogurt, and ice together. That's a perfect example of the word in action. It's not just for food either. We can blend ideas, styles, or even cultures. Let's explore some synonyms for blend. One synonym is mingle. For example, the flavors mingle beautifully in this soup. Another is amalgamate, which is a more formal way of saying blend. We could say, the two companies amalgamated to form a larger corporation. Then there's fuse, as in the metal plates were fused together by intense heat. Another useful synonym is integrate. Consider the sentence, the new employee quickly integrated into the team. And finally, merge, which can be used as in, the two rivers merge into one. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of blend. A strong antonym is separate. For instance, we need to separate the recyclable materials from the trash. Another antonym is divide. The teacher divided the class into small groups. We also have segregate, which is a more formal and often negative term, as in, the population was segregated based on their ethnicity. Then there's distinguish. Consider, it's important to distinguish between fact and opinion. Another antonym is isolate. The researchers sought to isolate the virus in the lab. So, how can we use blend in everyday life? Well, you might say, I love the way she blends different styles of music in her DJ sets. Or, the artist skillfully blends colors to create a stunning landscape. You could also use it in a professional setting. The marketing team is trying to blend traditional and digital strategies. Here are some more example sentences and phrases using blend. The chef blended the spices to create a unique flavor profile. The architect blended modern design with traditional materials. Her experience blends knowledge and skills perfectly for this role. The colors blend seamlessly in the painting. The company blends innovation with reliability. You might hear someone say, that's a nice blend of professionalism and personality. Or, the neighborhood is a blend of old and new buildings. Let's say you're describing a drink. You might say, this coffee is a blend of Arabica and Robusta beans. Imagine a garden with many different flowers. You could say, the garden is a blend of colors and scents. In a more abstract sense, you might hear his speech was a blend of humor and wisdom. Think about the concept of teamwork. Their success was due to a blend of individual talent and collective effort. Consider a fashion context. She has a unique style, a blend of vintage and modern clothing. Regarding a product, you may say, this shampoo is a blend of natural oils and vitamins. When planning an event, you could mention the party will be a blend of formal and informal activities. Finally, in terms of technology, consider the software is a blend of different programming languages. So, to recap, blend means to mix things together, whether it's flavors in a smoothie, styles in fashion, or ideas in a project. We learned some useful synonyms like mingle, amalgamate, fuse, integrate, and merge, and some contrasting antonyms like separate, divide, segregate, distinguish, and isolate. We explored how blend can be used in everyday conversations and various contexts, from describing a drink to planning an event. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Now, if you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new English vocabulary too. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word blend and share it as a comment under this episode. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep expanding your vocabulary.
Goodbye.